Hello guys and welcome to some helping video. I hope I can help you guys. Well, here we are. This is Logitech Driving Force Pro, also known as DFP, and this one is having some trouble at the beginning during the calibration. The calibration thing seems to be broken. First of all, don't lose any of your calmness, and sorry if my English is a bit bad. I haven't been practicing for a while. So first thing first, we're going to test it for you. I'm now gonna be connecting this to my computer so you can see what the problem actually is. So this is problem presentation number 1. As you can see, it turns. Now it should stop and change to 180 degrees. Not even a change. It still rotates. And it will rotate one more. And then it will just stop and say it's an error. As you can see, those flashy lights means there is actually an error. Now, disconnect it from your computer. Just disconnect it and take a look inside. Well, inside we will see right in the middle a piece of plastic inside. Well, this piece of plastic is actually very important, because this piece is the one that moves around up and down to decide whether you're using 180 degrees or 900 degrees. So now it's down, so it is put in 900 degrees mode, but it doesn't is enough to calibrate because it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do now is take a screwdriver, pull it up very carefully, of course. We don't want to break anything else. Put it up, then take a look at the computer. Connect this one again to your PC or PlayStation. I remember, if you're doing this connected to your PlayStation, you might reset your PS system. So better do it with your computer. Then connecting it just calibrates, and done. The light stays on. Although the problem is, it's only gonna work at 180 degrees. Now, to change that to 900, we're letting everything on and just pull the plastic piece down, very down, to 900. And now, as you can see, there's no magic. Both lights are on. And, by the way, this will work also on your PS3. So, I mean, that's all I have to explain about that. I found out that the problem of this piece, there's a tiny little, I don't know if you can see that. Actually, I want to put some light here. Oh shit, and that's too much light already. There's a tiny little engine there that moves this piece of plastic around. That piece that piece that moves up 180, 900. You need to make sure that, sorry, oh shit, this piece is actually touching that tiny little metal thing. That's to set it up at 900, and then when you go up, you see this touches the module that detects that the thing is running at 180, 900. Let's just let it at 180, and that's the engine, a little engine that seems to be having some problems. And that engine is actually wired by these two that go down there and then there. If you follow the wires, those wires are actually connected up here. To avoid any further problems, the thing I've decided is to actually disconnect that shit, because it doesn't work, and I just let them like this. So what I've seen so far, what I could recommend is to try to do a lever like this, sorry, like this, and try to, I don't know, maybe build something that does like this to activate and deactivate it manually, because you will have to play with the case open in that case, and that means you are not going to be able to use the supports for the table, so that's gonna be quite an issue to solve. That's the problem, and hope it could help you with that. And that's it. That's the Logitech. And please be careful, because power cable is connected. Whatever you touch here is fully loaded. Peace.